Welcome to another segment of Two Men, Two Mugs. Today it is my very, very special honor to welcome our guest, Mr. Khaled Mashal, former Hamas political bureau chief, an all-around very fascinating individual. Mr. Mashal, it's a pleasure to welcome you to our show.
Thank you for having me on your show.
Yes, now, can you tell us a little bit about your background? You've been around the block for a while now. Tell us, how you got to come to work for Hamas.
Well, I studied in university in Israel years ago and focused my studies on physics. And afterwards, after graduating, I then taught physics for several years before becoming part of the Hamas resistance movement. And then, yes, I unfortunately the commitments to my job with Hamas interfered with my ability to go back to teaching, which is one of my regrets.
In other words, you got an education from an institution from the nation that you're now wanting to destroy.
Precisely.
Yeah, what precipitated? It's been about 6.5 months now of warfare in Gaza. What precipitated this? Tell us your point of view.
Well, yes, I believe it is already very obvious to the rest of the world what is happening in Gaza. Unfortunately, it is very, very sad after October the 7th, during which time the Hamas resistance fighters, they came and they attacked the occupying Zionists, and they showed the rest of the world they are not going to just sit back and allow themselves to be colonized any longer, and this genocide has to stop now. It is no longer okay to just sit willingly and allow this madness to continue. And they are not going to stand for it any longer. And certainly, I know we are getting to this, but the college protesters, they are absolutely legitimate in what they are doing. I salute them with my heart, with my soul. I believe we are going to win this war. This is the most important cause of this generation. You have to understand that these people, they are modeling themselves after the freedom fighters in the the freedom fighters in Gaza.
Are you okay, Mr. Michel?
No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm fine. Thank you. As I was saying, the college students are modeling themselves after the thousands upon thousands of martyrs present in
Are you sure you're okay?
No, I'm okay.
Folks, we are going to take a quick break as Mr. Michel just clears his throat there, and we will be back in just a few minutes. Bear with us. Thank you.
Present in
Well, folks, I do have to apologize. We are going to cancel our show today. Unfortunately, we will have to cut it short, and perhaps we will have the ability to return as soon as Mr. Michel has recovered. Thank you for your patience.
Ken. Oh, wow. We have breaking news to report to you live from Tel Aviv. Khaled Mashal, former political bureau chief of Hamas, has been assassinated
Mossad claims responsibility. And back to you, Yitzhak.